This is how to install Spotify on Windows 10. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser, then go to the search and search for Spotify. Then you are going to see their official website, which is spotify.com. So click on the first link, then it will land you here. So at the top here, you are going to see premium support and download. Click on download. Then you scroll down a little bit, then you are going to click on download directly from Spotify. So click on that. Then it will automatically begin to download. As you can see at the top here, double click on the setup file in order to run the program. So as you can see, it is downloading. I'm going to minimize Google Chrome. Then this is Spotify installer. So as you can see, it is downloading Spotify. So just give it time for it to finish. So the installation has finished, guys. So in order to open Spotify, you will just go to the search and search for Spotify. And we'll be able to see it here. So you just need to click on open. Then you can log in if you already have an account. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to install Spotify on Windows 10. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next.